Is your kid falling sick often? And does he take more time to recover? Are you tired of taking heavy doses that bring you side effects with no proper cure? Illnesses show how poor your immunity is. A strong immune system can keep you healthy and strong. We introduce Swan Prashan, which is in our tradition since ages, for kids under 16 years to boost their immunity. Swan Prashan enhances memory, physical, mental growth, and improves digestion and helps in replenishing nutritional deficiencies. The oldest reference dates back to Kashyap Samhitar, which is an 3,000-year-old, ancient Ayurvedic pediatric textbook. We've been caring and treating children, for many years, with promising products made up of powerful and safe herbs. Buy our product on Amazon, Flipkart, or from immunekids.com and avail a free consultation. WhatsApp or call us on 78140-02233, or mail us at ayurvedahealingtree@gmail.com.